Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks much for continuously watching and sharing with your network and subscribing to my channel. So we are looking at the new series and we released 5 videos about the marketing by research, and especially we started with our smartphone research series in which we talked about the continuous research we undertook and the papers published and how this academic research can be used in the industry for the practicing managers, how they will get the benefit out of it. So in this line, today we talk about the impact of gender on technology adoption model towards using smartphones. So it is a part of our continuing series of smartphone research. We started with identifying mobile promotion response behavior of consumers, especially how the consumers respond towards the SMS we normally get from different companies, how the consumers respond towards that. Then we did a research on the smartphone usage patterns. What are the variables impact consumers to use smartphones? And from that study, we found the usage variables are very important for the consumers to use it, apart from other variables. So in this line, we wanted to see that how the gender has influence over using the new technology like smartphones, technology adoption towards using smartphones. So this is what we wanted to test and find out. Because I found the most of the women consumers, because the previous two researches we conducted, especially the one we conducted on women consumers, but we wanted to know that how the male users of smartphones feel about using smartphones and by using technology adoption model. So technology adoption model has two important variables. One is the perceived usefulness. So how people see the usefulness of any technology they want to use. And also the perceived ease of use. So whenever any new technology comes, how they see, whether they can see the easiness of using the particular technology. So there are two variables which constitute the technology adoption model, which was initially created by Professor Davis. So perceived usefulness and perceived user use. So we developed a separate tool to test this among the male and female users about using smartphones, the different aspects of smartphones, of perceived usefulness and perceived use of use. And we collected the data from the different users, male and female, almost 296 sample we collected. So we did this study in Oman, Sultanate of Oman. So you can see this, we published this in International Journal of Business Excellence, one of the top journals in Scopus Index, in volume 16 and number 1. Can you see here? So the title of the study is Investigating the Gender Influence on Technology Adoption Model Towards Using Smartphones. So we collected data from both male and female, which constitute almost 296 respondents, and we use structural equation modeling to identify the influence. And we found that the results like, so both male and female show negative influence over perceived usefulness using smartphones. So both male and female do not see any usefulness of using smartphones. But however, the male respondents see the perceived use of use. Actually, see overall, when we talked about the usefulness of using smartphones in terms of the professional and the personal or social, so they are not seeing much of an usefulness from smartphones as a gadget. But we elicit the male respondents shown a positive response towards using the perceived use of use. But the female respondents actually do not show any the positive response towards using perceived use of use. It's a negative influence they have. So if you look at the both The male and female, they show negative influence of the perceived usefulness. They're not seeing any usefulness in using smartphones as a gadget. But the male feel that it's very easy for them to use the smartphones, but the female they did not. So overall, our the research finally concluded by using a technology adoption model. Both male and female, they do not see any usefulness in using smartphones. The male was seeing the positive aspects of using the ease of use of using smartphones, but the female did not. So this is the outcome which definitely give a kind of the impetus to the practicing managers of how they want to create the smartphones as a useful gadget for people to use it. It's a part of the work or professional or business aspects. And the male, especially the male, we found from our study that the male do not see the neither ease of use or neither usefulness. So it's negative for both the aspects of technology adoption model on the female side. So it is imperative for the companies to see this and how they can come out of the mobile phones or smartphones to have some features which will influence female users to use the smartphones. So number one, they should see smartphone as a useful the gadget which they can use for different purposes, either it's a personal, professional, or social. And they also need to come out of something to attract or influence the male. Also see that the smartphone is a useful device, and they have to have some kind of the features which influence female to use the smartphone in an easy way. So because our research revealed the female believed it's very difficult to use smartphones or features. So it is imperative to understand. So if you are using smartphones, we have so many features available. So how many of the respondents, how many of the users are using all the the features of the particular smartphones? Especially if you take example of Samsung Note, or because it comes with the pen when we are buying it. So people buy Samsung Note because of the screen size big and we have this the stylus pen. But many are not using much about it because, see, that is why sometimes whenever you come out of future, the future may not, provide any usefulness to the users of the particular phone or ease of use of the particular feature. So the company need to work in those areas, whichever the company is producing smartphones. And so here we come out of a very important research. We use technology adoption model on the gender male and female, and we found the results like the female totally like negative of both the aspects of technology adoption model, which is perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use. But however, the male see the perceived ease of use of using smartphones, but they do not see any usefulness in smartphones. So this is the outcome which we see, and we like the practicing management to see, and how they can come out of futures which attracts both the genders and definitely change the perception of using smartphones as a useful like gadget, and also easy for them to use, especially for the female users. So once again, thank you very much for continuously watching my videos and subscribing to my channel, and give your valuable comments and support. So because your comments are very valuable to us, and which gives a lot of motivation to come out of new series. So as I told you, like this is the series which we are talking about how the marketing is useful for the companies, and how the research will be useful for the marketing, and how the company can go by the marketing by using the research, especially the academic research. So that is the main motto of this series. So we released 3 videos under the smartphone research series, and because this is the research we are doing continuously right from 2011, so it's almost 10, 12 years we are continuously doing it. And so far we produced 4 papers in top journals, including Scopus journals. And because smartphone is something which is evolving for last 10, 12 years. But however, though the new models are coming every year, but it may not attract much of the consumers to see the real benefit of using the smartphone. So if the companies can come out of new features or something which attracts the consumers to use, especially see the smartphone as a mode to use for the personal and professional and social, but then the consumers will see benefit in using the smartphones. So once again, thank you very much for your continuous support and valuable comments. Thank you.